Good morning everyone. Today we'll discuss a DD-based delivery on the project life cycle. So before that, let us know what is a project. A project is nothing but it is a temporary endeavor which has a definite beginning as well as the end point. This is used to create a service or a deliverable. So first let me introduce Vishnu Priya. So she will be giving the first phase of the project life cycle.
Good morning everyone. Today we are going to discuss the topic about step-by process in software project management, also known as SVM. Software project management is the process of planning, leading, executing and controlling software development project to ensure they are delivered on time with scope and within budget. The process is generally divided into 5 types. They are project initialization, project planning, project execution, monitoring and controlling, project closure. Then Sandhya will explain the first step of project initialization.
The first step is project initiation, which lays the foundation for the entire project. In this phase, we define the purpose and the scope of the project. We also perform feasibility study to check if the project is viable for technical, financial and operational perspective. Stakeholders are identified and the project charter is created. This document includes objective, major deliverables, constraint and approval requirement. The main goal is to ensure everyone involved understand the project importance and agree on the direction. Once the project is approved, we will move on to planning. Kritika will explain about project planning.
The second step is project planning, which is often the most detailed phase. In this step, we prepare the roadmap for how the project will be carried out. Key planning activities include creating a work breakdown structure, scheduling tasks using tools like Gantt charts, and estimating cost and budgeting, allocating resource, identifying the risk and making mitigation plans, creating communication and quality plans. The main objective is to minimize surprise during execution. A well-prepared plan increases the chance of a successful project. Once the plan is placed, the next step is to execution. The project execution is explained by Monica.
Now comes to the execution point. Where the actual development phases happens, the project team starts working on the deliverable defined in the planning phase. So tasks are assigned to the team members, resources are utilized and the progress is tracked. So the frequent meetings and the updated helps ensures that everyone is on the same page. So at this stage, developers, testers and the designers work collaboratively to build the software products, and execution is the phase where ideas becomes reality, but just building it's not enough. So we need to ensure everyone is understand control. That's where the next step, monitoring and control, that will conclude by Ritika.
In the monitoring and control phase, we track the project progress and performance. We compare actual results with planned milestones to ensure the project is scheduled and within budget. If the deviations occur, correct actions are taken. We manage chances, risk and quality using various tools like performance reports, risk logs and issue trackers. This phase runs parallel to execution and ensures the project stays on the track and meets this objective. Once the work is done and verified, the project moves to the final step.
So the next step is project closure. This is the final step in software project management. This is when the project is completed and the project is handed over to the client. So the activities include conducting final tests and getting client approval, and releasing resources, archiving project documents, preparing the closure reports, conducting a postmortem and identifying the lesson learned. Closure ensures the project is officially marked as completed and everyone gains the insight for future improvement. Now I will call upon Vishnu Priya to conclude our discussion.
So the initiation process defines the project purpose, goals and feasibility. It's where the idea is evaluated and approved. The second step is planning. Develop a roadmap including scope, timeline, resource, budget and risk management strategies. The third step is execution. Carry out the planned task, build deliverables and coordinate teams to meet objectives. The fourth step is monitoring and control. Track progress and manage changes and ensure the project stays on schedule and within budget. The fifth step is closure. Finalize our activities, deliver the completed project and evaluate performance for future improvement. To conclude, the stepwise process in software project management provide a structured approach to delivering successful software projects. Each step from initiation to closure plays a vital role in ensuring that the project is completed effectively on time and within budget. By following these steps carefully, teams can minimize risk, improve and communication, and deliver high quality product.
So I hope you are all clear with the different phases of project life cycle. So it starts from the initiation phase, then it goes with a feasibility study, then the execution phase, planning, monitoring and